Hello. So let us discuss about levers. What are levers? Levers are the machines which make our day-to-day life task easy and convenient. For example, we are using scissor, that is one type of lever. We are using beam balance, that is one type of lever. We are using seesaw in day-to-day life, that is one type of lever. Bottle opener is another type of lever. So these are various kind of levers which make our day-to-day task very easy, very convenient. Let us try to discuss what is the basic structure of a lever. If I say lever, what we understand by the lever? So lever are the machines which has three components. They have three components. One component will be fulcrum. Fulcrum is basically some support or an axis of rotation about which lever can rotate. Another will be effort. Effort is the input, is the force which a user applies on the lever, and then there will be load. This is effort and this is load. Load is something on which the lever should work, or suppose if you have to lift an object, so that particular object will be load. So these three components are there in the lever. This is called fulcrum, this is called effort, this is called load. Using these three, the lever comprises of these three components. According to where is the placement of these three components, and according to the placement of the fulcrum, the lever gives us different type of advantages. There are three advantages using the lever. One is mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage means I will apply less effort. Effort is less and load can be greater. With less effort, I can lift a greater amount of higher amount of load. Second advantage is speed. If suppose I want to tear a paper, if suppose I want to tear a cloth, so the cloth in cloth shop you want to tear a cloth, so by hand it will take a lot of effort, it will take a lot of time. But if you have scissor, you can just apply your effort at some point and easily you can cut the cloth. Third is direction. Sometimes it is convenient to change the direction of effort to easily lift the load. For example, pulley. In villages, people pull out water from a well, so it is convenient to apply effort like this so that the water comes out rather than pulling like this. So working against gravity is inconvenient in pulling the water from the well. So that is why pulley is used to change the direction of the effort. It will just change the direction of effort. You have to apply effort like this. So these three advantages are there for using the lever. Now levers are classified in three categories. Three categories are there for lever, which is remembered using FLE. FLE, flea, makhi. So F means fulcrum is in the middle. Fulcrum in middle. That is first class of lever. When fulcrum is in middle, it is called first class. When load is in the middle, it is called second class. When effort is in the middle, it is called third class of lever. Example of first class of lever is seesaw, scissors. Example of second class of lever when load is in between is nutcracker. Nutcracker is a second class of lever. Bottle opener is the second class of lever. Example of third class of lever when effort is in middle is prongs, or chimta. In household you use chimta, that is also, in which effort is applied in the middle and load is kept at the end point, fulcrum is at another end, so load is in the middle. So that type of lever is called third class of lever. That's it for today. Thank you very much.